I was remiss in not mentioning earlier our wonderful skilled maintenance worker and Orange County Certificated Employee of the Year, Luis Camarena. We're so happy that he has been recognized in this way. He's an excellent, excellent employee. And of course, he was named as Orange County's best because he is the best. Have you noticed that the Ocean View School District has won numerous times? We've won the county and the state, and sorry, not the state, but been risen up to the state. Isn't that right, Dr. Hansen? That's right. And so we have had so many winners from this school district because the Ocean View School District has the best employees in Orange County, California, and the United States of America. But maybe I'm a little partial, right? Maybe I'm a little prejudiced, but that's okay because Ocean View is the best. So congratulations, Luis. We are very proud of you. Also, congratulations to Makayla Mix and Maci Ford, the two students that Madam Vice President mentioned at the Ducks game. Wow, girls, unreal. I saw the pictures. I saw the video. You two are stars. What unbelievable. You were right there with the Anaheim Ducks, and you were in it to win it, and you did. So we're very proud of you, young ladies. Also, the Districtwide Music Festival, as Dr. Hansen had mentioned, is coming up on Thursday. I look forward to seeing our students perform in all different, the band and the singing and the dancing and all that kind of stuff. HB Art Festival is coming up as well. Hope that everybody can make an appointment to go see our students' art displayed. And let's see. I know there was one other thing I wanted to mention. Oh, the Assistance League. We're going to their event. Madam Vice President and I are going to their event this Saturday. Is that right, Madam Vice President?
Saturday.
Saturday. And we're going to be there for the charity event. You know, they support our teachers so much. Oh, you're going to, Trustee Briscoe?
Absolutely.
Well, it's an Ocean View party. We're going as a delegation then, I suppose, huh?
Brown Act violation.
No, it's not going to be a Brown Act violation because we're just going to talk about fun stuff like the great things that the Assistance League does. We're not going to talk any serious business. I can guarantee you that. And then lastly, I had the honor of representing the Board of Trustees in the Ocean View School District at the Robert Mayer Institute last Wednesday. Dr. Hansen was there as well, and her final goodbye and her presentation to that group, and that's put on by the Chamber of Commerce in the city and so on. And we get to go and represent the best about Ocean View and the best of Ocean View. And so thank you, Dr. Hansen, for being there. And I was proud to be there too. Oh, goodness. Our Vice President just reminded me. We also attended a City of Huntington Beach District School District meeting, quarterly meeting last Monday, and that was wonderful too. So thanks to the city for inviting us. All right. Okay, we're now at S, which is closed session. And we do need to go back into closed session, albeit very shortly for a short meeting. So we're going to go in at 6:46. And if there's anything to report from this closed session, we will report it. Well, actually, our clerk, Trustee Souders, is going to report that from outside the door like the town crier. He'll come out and he'll go, hear ye, hear ye. We have something to report or we don't have. Literally, he does that. This is an old,
I want my bell.
He wants his bell. We're going to get him a bell so he can ring it and say there's something to report or not. Okay, we're going in. 6:47, I should say. Thank you.